गोयात सनबर्न ईडीएम फेस्टिवलाक आयिल्लो दिल्लीचो 26 वर्सां पिरायेचो तरणाटो सोंपलो तर गोय एसपी अक्षत कौशलाची म्हायती तो वांगड्या बरोबर खंय सनबर्नाक गेल्लो 9:45 वरांचेर तो बरो ना जालो। ताच्या उपरांत ताका म्हापसा एका खासगी हॉस्पिटलांत उपचाराक व्हेलो, थंय सोंपलो। कूड जीएमसीत पोस्टमॉर्टमाक धाडल्या। एसपी अक्षत कौशलाची म्हायती
boy who had come from Delhi to attend Sunburn EDM on Saturday evening has died in a private hospital at Mapsa in suspicious circumstances. Pedne police has received an information that this Delhi native on Saturday had attended Sunburn EDM, but after completion of this EDM event around at 10 p.m. on Saturday, he fell unconscious and he was admitted in a private hospital at Mapsa. But on Sunday morning, he has died. His body has been sent to GMC for postmortem to ascertain the real cause of death.
काँग्रेस फुडाऱ्यांनी सरकाराचेर फोग काढला, खोलायेन चौकशी जावची म्हणून काँग्रेसीची मागणी।
पर्टिक्युलर इश्यू जो पळय सांगताना आमी रेज केला असेंब्लीत इज अ व्हेरी सिरियस इश्यू आनी म्हाका दिसता देर हॅज टू बी अ व्हेरी सिरियस इन्क्वायरी इन टू दीस बाय द गव्हर्मेंट शूड नॉट बी हँड इन ग्लव्स विथ सर्टन एजन्सीज ऑफ दीस गव्हर्मेंट. This is a very, very serious issue. We had raised it and whatever we raised is turning into reality. आमचेर 100 करोडाची defamation case घातली. They tried to stifle our voices. But you see the reality today. What is the cause of this death? What did this boy consume? Whether what he consumed was legal or illegal.
That the boy had consumed something in Sunburn, and then he was not feeling well. He was rushed to the private hospital in Mapsa, where he died, and then they were taking the body for post-mortem to GMC. It is sad because when such kind of deaths take place at these events, it brings us memories of what people have been echoing, what people have been saying, right from the organizers to the police to every security, because the manner in which things can slip in, even the best intentions you may take.
पेडणेसारखो तालुको आजवर हे अशा सगळ्या गोष्टींपासून पयस असतो. त्या तालुक्यात सनबर्नच्या रूपान आम्ही परत एकदा वायट मार्गाचेर वळपाक लागले. अशा परिस्थितीत एखाद्या व्यक्तीचे थंय मरण जावप कारणां कितें ही सोदची पडटलीच, पण तो आवाजान ते जालें काय कितें की त्या ठिकाणी मेळणाऱ्या दारू समान नशेमुळे झाले, ड्रगमुळे झाले, हे सरकारान अगदी स्पष्टपणे जनतेक सांगचे पडटलें.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट।